Hey there, I'm all set for my next trip. And as you guys know, traveling is life, it's my passion. But sometimes I travel alone and it kinda gets boring sometimes. But with my travel partner MG Astor, not anymore. Now you might be wondering, how can a car be my travel partner? Well, let me introduce you to the all-new MG Astor. First of all, the interior of this car. I mean, look at it. It is extremely luxurious and elegant, especially the panoramic sky roof. So beautiful and honestly the largest in any car. So the feel you get every time you're sitting inside the car is amazing. And meet my co-pilot, the personal AI assistant. It's like having a companion by your side on every journey. From helping me find the perfect driving playlist to suggesting me the quickest route home or making me laugh while I feel bored while driving, my assistant does it all. And here's the best part. It listens. It understands. Hello, Esther. Tell me a joke.
What animal is always at a game of cricket? A bat.
It's like having a friend who knows your every preference, your every quirk. Whether you're craving your favorite coffee or need to make a quick call, just command. As a traveler, I feel that driving with the Astor isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey itself. It's about the laughs, the conversations, and the memories you create along the way. Especially the level 2 ADAS, my personal favorite. As you know, my trips have long routes, big roads, so cruise control makes my journey easier, plus forward collision prevention, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and all these ADAS level 2 features keep me safe. Great, right? Plus, like I said, long routes, so Astor has ventilated seats to make my journey extra comfortable. Astor got me feeling like driving with a partner. If you are ready to experience the joy of driving with a friend, then hop into the MG Astor. Trust me, it'll be the best road trip you ever had.